Hi guys, how you doing? It's JTest ASMR here, back with another Eat With Me video. Again, it is daylight, so no light, and I'm in a different position again. Just in case you're wondering what this is, let me show you. It's, Now you're probably wondering what that is. If there is, oh my god, if there is any noise, it's not my fault, it's outside, because it's very hot. Yeah, so basically, as you can see, here's my light off. Basically what that is a mixture of dino meat, so it's lamb, chicken, all bits and pieces, like mixed dino meat and chips, with garlic sauce, garlic mayo I think, and I've got a Ribena blackcurrant to drink, which I've already tried because it's a little bit dry. So let's get on. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell icon, comment, please. Now, this is large. I don't think I'm going to eat it all. My god, large strips, no. Should have really got a fork for this, because it's going to be a very messy job. In fact, you know, I am going to get a fork. Oh my god. I'm going to have to get a fork, guys. Bear me 1 second. Hi guys, sorry, I'm back. I have my fork. Okay, still think it's going to be a bit of a nightmare with the fork, but never mind. That's good. Oh my god. I should have asked them to cut it into smaller pieces. What it is just the chips are at the bottom of the tray. Apart from one's hanging out here. It's too large, man. Too big. I just should have got a smaller one. That looks a bit though. My god, see what I mean? Oh my god, here we go. I'm sorry, horribly wrong. They said to me, would you like a salad with that? I can't eat this, let alone salad as well. Oh my god. So let's get to you. Now I finally come to the chips. We should have really made a meal out of it. Got done a kebab with the wraps. I just like the dog meat by itself quite a lot, you know. I don't mind a doner kebab, but no. No. I've just got back from seeing Carol Woodgate ASMR. Had a good time, as always. God, that's good stuff. Especially when it's cold. Oh my god. There was a bone in that. Oh my god. Actually, no, it's not a bone. It's just really overcooked meat. Mate. I think I shouldn't have got a big one. It did fill up. Oh my god, pardon me. No, your eyes are just so much bigger than your belly. That's so close. Sorry. Finding bits of this kebab, but I'm not really liking now. Like overdone bits of beef, not beef, overdone bits of lamb and chicken. I have to leave it there, guys, because I'm so full up. Note to yourself, no matter how hungry you feel, get a small one. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'm done. As a primary kebab, I find it very filling, and yeah, very filling. You can't eat it. As also I find with Chinese, it fills you up. And one fart and you're empty again. So can't win with me really. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you for joining me for this early ASMR. It's nice to not have any noise from there, and minimal noise from out there for a change. Don't expect it to happen all the time, because it won't. Not till we move to a new place, because apparently our flat's been demolished. So they're going to have to rehouse us, apparently. Which sucks a bit in general, because I've got a balcony and this and that. But hopefully what they will do to reimburse us for that is give us a house, so I can have like a dog of some sort. Miss living with dogs. I lived with a couple of them a couple of years ago when I was with my ex, and we had a big bust up, and she was like, you know, she chucked me out, and she wouldn't allow me to see the dogs again, which was heartbreaking. Still is heartbreaking, because they're still alive, I believe, and miss them to bits. So I'm not saying you can replace your dog, because you should never replace your dog, but you know, it's their own. They've all got their own individual character. So yeah, and I've met a few dogs. I've come across a few dogs in my time, and I don't mean that in a horrible way. I mean dogs, not female dogs. But yeah, so sorry, I'm still nibbling, I know. But yeah, that'd be nice. It's not confirmed yet, but I think we will be moving. So there you go. Okay, guys. Yeah, well, you know what? I've had enough. Again, I'd like to welcome any new subscribers I get. Welcome. Don't forget, if you do come across this video and you like it, you know, click the like and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to click the bell icon and comment. Anyway, until next time, guys, I'll see you soon with a new video. Ciao for now.